Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah. Rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright.
Hello, mother. Hello, father. These sticks mosquitoes really bother. Thanks for the package, that's why I'm writing. Canine Adventix quickly stop all the biting. Swimming, hiking, and tent pitching. They're not biting, I'm not itching. Can't wait to show you all my new tricks. Thanks again for sending me Canine Adventix.
There ain't no bugs on me, there ain't no bugs on me. There may be bugs on some of your mugs, but there ain't no bugs on me. Yeah, there may be bugs on some of your mugs, but there ain't no bugs on me.
Right on Molly's head.